Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term FN. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, FN is slang for fornication or used to emphasize something intense or serious. People use it when they want to stress how extreme or wild something is. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. FN first showed up in early 20th century American slang as shorthand for fornication. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among internet and party communities. Now let's check out how to use FN in a sentence. Correct example 1. That party last night was totally FN crazy. Everyone had a blast. Correct example 2. I had an FN good time at the concert last weekend. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said FN at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using FN right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. FN means slang for fornication or intense emphasis. It started in early 20th century American slang, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with FN in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.